everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel, Divine Owl. And today I have a new box for me. It's called gloveBox. gloveBox box. And so I haven't looked inside to see what's in there. I thought I would open it with you guys. So this is a box for car care. I have a truck that I love so much. I love to take care of it and wash it, so I thought I'd give this box a try since we can't get out and shop very easily right now. Alright, let's open her up. Okay, right here. A driver's most important items are kept in the glove box. That's what it says. And before we start, let's get some incense going because I was a shaman in a past life and I like incense, so it's kind of the thing I do. Okay. I forgot to ready my incense burner. There we go. Okay. And it is warm. Oh, I'm going to turn off my fan so that there's less background noise. Alright, that should be better. Okay, let's open the box. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, see if we have a sticker, a gloveBox sticker. I have a camera here for up close, so we'll give it a test. It says June detail and menu. We have some stuff. Alright. Space. Oh, this one pays special tribute to dads, father figures, and role models, grandpas, and single mothers who fill both roles this Father's Day season. So I guess Father's Day is the theme of this box. Okay. We will start with item number 1. This is called a bug eraser. Removes bugs fast and easy, safe for automotive surfaces, activates with just 2 ounces of water. And that's really helpful because on the grills of our cars we get smash bugs in there, and on the wind, what is it, on the headlamps and the fog lights and the grill, particularly in the front, always has bugs. So no scratches or swirl marks, and I don't know what that is. Okay. They're little towels, and I guess it has cleaner built in, and you just put a little 2 ounces of water and you can wipe off your bugs. That's really cool. I will use this. And then we have a nice sized microfiber towel, very heavyweight, because I have some microfiber towels and this is heavier than the ones I have. So, and the one I have is made for cars. So mine's fluffier and lighter, and this one's more dense and heavy. So there we go. Very nice. I will use that. I mean, you could use this in your house too, but you know, you could even keep that in your glove box. And this is a fun spongy thing. I don't know what it's for yet. I'll have to read the description, but it's a sponge with microfiber on one side and like little grippy. It's almost like a hair remover, a lint remover for your clothes. So maybe that's for cleaning your upholstery, maybe. I'm just guessing. And another fun little sponge with a microfiber outer for cleaning. Okay, I like this too. Oh boy, let's see. This is the filler, I think. Okay. Boop. Okay. We have a squirt bottle of something in here. Interior cleaning. Rocket interior cleaning 010 professional grade, safely cleans plastics, carpets, and fabrics. So that's cool that it cleans fabrics and plastics in one. That's really cool. Well, you know, if you have dogs or children, you always, or if you like to eat in your car when you're driving, it's always good to have something to pick up that mess. Ready? Boop. Okay, and we have Sonax Cleaner Wax. It rhymes. Sonax Cleaner Wax. Alright, so that's probably, which sponge do we use? I don't know. One of these sponges we probably says to like squirt it on the sponge and rub it around and then use your towel and wipe it off. While my Ford Raptor can have a nice waxing now. And it looks like a brush for cleaning your air vents and the little cracks in between in your car. Yeah, that's fun. You know, it could double as a powder brush. Nah, it's a little bit harder hairs than some powder brushes. Anyway, that's good because, you know, you get that dust from having your windows down and the pollen, so this will clean off all that very nicely. Well, this box went by so fast. I hope you all enjoyed my opening of the glove box. I feel it was really fun and I liked everything that I got. I will definitely use all of these items. I might give them another chance and see what I get in my next box, but this one was a lot of fun. Waxing might be kind of, it's gonna be a lot of work to get my whole truck by myself, but I can do it. And I like this cleaner, you get a lot of product, so that's fun. Carpets and plastics. I've never heard of this brand, so I can't wait to try it out. Alright, that's a wrap for that. Thank you. And as always, if you liked my videos and you want to stay in contact and find out when I upload new videos, like the video. It's good for me. It helps me get noticed. And subscribing, I need that so I can become a partner. And it also helps with video visibility and just lets me know you care. So like and subscribe, and also you could hit the notification bell and get updates live when I upload a video. And we'll see you all later. Bye bye. Thank you. Pack this up. I'll just take this away. Bye bye, guys. Clean.